Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I am making a recipe from my favourite recipe book, Gruffalo Crumble and Other Recipes. It's based on the picture book by Julie Donaldson and Axel Scheffler. Here we go with roasted fox. Roasted fox? I'm off, Fox said. Goodbye, little mouse. And away he sped. Okay, you are going to need 2 medium sweet potatoes, some cumin, cinnamon, salt, black pepper, oil, and a little bit of extra oil for greasing. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then grease your baking tray. Once you've peeled the sweet potatoes and chopped them into wedges, which should be around 10 centimeters long, pop them into a large mixing bowl. Then combine the cumin, cinnamon, salt and pepper in a small bowl, mix well with a spoon, then add the tablespoon of oil to those spices and give them a little mix again. Tip that mixture over the wedges. Make sure that you scrape every last bit out of the bowl because there's so much flavour in that spice and oil mix. Give everything a really good mix so the wedges are coated, and it's best to use your hands, and you'll see when I make them in a moment that I use disposable gloves. Great way to keep your hands clean, and I always use them in the kitchen when I'm cooking. Then pop the coated wedges on a baking tray. Now bake them for 15 minutes and then take them out carefully and give the tray a little bit of a shake, and then pop them back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now if you don't want to use sweet potato, you could use butternut squash, you could use carrots or even a mixture. And you can leave out the spices if you prefer and just use salt and pepper. You can serve them up with anything that you like. You could try a dollop of yogurt. I have popped some sour cream on the side of mine, and then at the end I have just made a chicken schnitzel and a nice tomato and pak choi noodle salad to go with them. So let's get started and make some roasted fox.